here at Kapasa, Makasa University in Chinsari. And so it's raining, alright? It's raining and people are moving around from classes, the hostels. Because this is when the classes, the afternoon classes just ended. So I will never fresh out. They are running the classes because but I feel like each time it's a cool job because akatina then nairaine yakweva zino amuna sinya arepo zingata naine nevangaveko ngasinya so ekuyanomanga vamunotfura zovena nakwatarara wenofida kokutukira pamakirasezi mujoba. But it's raining though, it's raining and you can see it's already time up. There are few vehicles at the central administration car park. Yeah, so this day was like it's already red and the rain's just started like just like now. Yeah, yeah, by the hostels, this outright here. I like this view like most of the time when you come here, more especially when it's raining. Yeah, I enjoy this. Yeah, especially when it's raining and there are people all over the classes there, seniors, freshers. Yeah, those that just like the classes like every time, together. Yeah. But me, I'm in the common room, yeah, by the hostels. So yeah, it's W30. Yeah, this is the third floor, the common room. Yeah, so like most of the time I just like this view here. So you can see people there by passing there, going to the library. Then you see that one. Yeah, that's like I don't know its name, but people just go there to relax. Yeah, like more especially Kava Barandas Kava Mojo Abeni, like Wasendra Ogero over. Yeah, with something like you go there, like sometimes Karasa surrounds with couples like this, couple here, minding your own business. There's nothing like they should know before I reach the house. Yeah, it's a nice place. I like that also, but I don't have a girl though. Yeah, so sometimes I like. Alright, so there's a view. I don't know if you can see it here, but there's there at quite mountain up. There's like something like a white there. So that's a road. Yeah, Chinsari Nakonde road. Because Kapasa is located near just the Great North Road, like a few meters from the road. Yeah. So there's like a road. So sometimes I watch the view like vehicles passing there. Yeah, like big trucks then they're passing there. Sometimes I'll be here just watching them because I love trucks. Yeah, I love trucks. My brother is a truck driver, so most of the time when I'm spending time with him, we won't talk about truck driving. So I also got into that. Like, yeah, I love trucks. Yeah, I love trucks. So most of the time, sometimes I go there to watch trucks. Right, so that got my attention. So that was our lecture. The one we are just from having right now is driving home now. Yeah, it's going home. Yeah, we just had him right now before the rain, so you can see him there going to the administration center. Then go to the right, that's where he lives. I don't know how he's passing. Maybe he'll come to the center apart hostels, but I think he has go. Yeah, but there are some trees there. You can see. I hope he has go. Yeah, so just like this view. Yeah, all the time I come here to spend my time because I see a road. Honestly, when I'm here, I see couples coming back from classes there. Yeah, some they come from hostels there. Yeah, the hostel is distracted by the lecture theater one here, which you can see here. I mean the library there is distracted by the lecture theater one. But there are people, but there are jobasana, those that don't like coming back to hostels. Yeah, those who fight for distinctions, but there are you find them there. It's called here at Kapasa Makasa University. We call it Slaughter's House because it's where we get slaughtered most of the time, because it's where we write exams at the upper library there. Yeah, it's called the Slaughter's House because it has killed a lot of people, like taking people on part time, that kind of thing. So just for fun, we named it the Slaughter's House. But they say there are power in the voice, so we don't encourage like naming it that way. So most of the time you find people naming it like the progress room. Yeah, everybody has his beliefs, but those people who don't care mostly go into Slaughter's House. You get what I mean? Yeah. So this one here, the kanyumba you are seeing here, this is the, I don't know how I can call it, but it's entire school, a public my equipment school, like mama chan for power generation and then so this is for this school. It's protected in the line, in the wire, and then the backup chain said okay, there not like white lemon have but green clear content. So it just got off right now because even in classes stopped. So that's the view. I just like being here most time, spending my time here. Just like being here sometimes. It's dry, it's nice, especially on green trees with where I'm planting. They just beautify the environment. So this is all about it. Just want to show you something. People are moving around there. Some are running around there, some with umbrellas. But some of us we just run according to that. Alright, so next time I'll show you something else. Maybe interesting ones. You may like. Bye.